this is another type of assignment problem. The question is, the given below is the times or days required when a particular program is assigned to a particular programmer. This is programs and this is the programmers. Okay, the first step in the assignment problem is to find the minimum value in each row and subtract it from the other row elements. Okay, so in the first row, the minimum value is 8. So I subtract 8 from all other elements in that row. That is 12 minus 8, 4, 10 minus 8, 2, 8 minus 8, 0, 9 minus 8, 1. In the next row, it is 7. Then 8 minus 7, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 11 minus 7, 4 and 7 minus 7, 0. In the third row, it is 10. So 11 minus 10 is 1, 14 minus 10 is 4, 12 minus 10 is 2, and 10 minus 10 is 0. In the last row, the minimum one is 8. So 9 minus 8, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. In the second step, we repeat this as in the columns. That is, we select the minimum value in each column and then subtract it from the other elements in that column. So, in the first column, in this box, from this matrix, in the first column, 1 is the minimum element, so I subtract it. So, we get 3, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0. Then, in the next column, 1 is the minimum value, so 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 0. In the next column, 0 is the minimum value, so there is no change in that column. So I rewrite it, 0, 4, 2, 0. Okay. In the last column also, 0 is the minimum value, so there is no change, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is the last matrix we get. Now, I check each rows which contain 1 0. So in the first row, it contains 1 0. So I assign this 0 and cancel the zeros in that column. Then in the second row, there is 2 zeros. So I can do anything. In the third row, it also contains 2 zeros. Fourth row, it also contains 2 zeros. Now I check the column wise. The first column contains 3 zeros. The second column contains 1 0. So I assign this 0 and cancel the zeros in that row. In the third column, there is no zeros more, and the fourth column, it contains 2 zeros. So now there have 4 remaining zeros here, which is not assigned or closed. In this type of problems, we use trial and error method. That is, choose any row which have 2 zeros. Then assign the first one and cross the zeros in the row and column. Okay. Now I select the row which contains 2 zeros. That is the second row. It have 2 zeros. So I assign the first 0 and cross the all zeros in the row and column. That is, here there is 1 0, so I closed it, and here there also contains 1 0, so I closed it. Then in the next row there is only 1 0, so I assign this one, and now there is no more zeros. So this is the final matrix. And how can we find the total cost? It is the real values in the place of these assigned zeros. That is, in the second row, first column, it contains 8. So the answer is 8 plus. Then first row, third column. First row, third column, 8 plus third row, last column. Third row, last column, it is 10 plus last row, second column. Last row, second column, it is 9. And the final answer is 35. So this is the second type of assignment problem. We can do one more problem in the next coming video.
Okay, thank you.